Ipedang sobai pi bawa syaka channel jangi ka tech tutor Meghalaya. Di menta ka sipat ngin slang dia ka question number 10 jang ka exercise 2.2. Di ka question number 10 ka ongkunu. Find the values of each of the following. Okay. Ka question ka day sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3. Okay. Dengan the bed hang ni. Okay. Menta syaban sedang kani ngan penkenal syai pi sepang kani. Di menta ha ka quadrant pindashim kini ka coordinate axis given south liki quadrant. Okay. They have a first, current first, second, third, fourth. I'm sure revise what ma. They have a first quadrant all trigonometric ratios kilong positive. Have a second u sine but u cosine. U sine but u cosine. Okay. U sine but u cosine kilong positive. Have a third u tan but u cot kilong positive and have a fourth u sec but u cos but u sec kilong positive. Okay. This so menta. Also, lada p suppose kumanta had p minus no naka angle na 0 na p minus na p at naka 0. Okay, that is sine function kumhanemta. Sine of pi minus theta. Okay, sine of pi minus theta, there is no function change. Sine of pi plus theta ro, there is no function change. Tangba p hapet but ka angle kalai on which quadrant? Okay, ka angle kalai pinda. Sine of pi minus theta. Pi minus theta mokalai haka second quadrant. Okay, the sine ulong positive takadaw u function pi minus something am u pi, so function usabit sine tangba u sine root namar ba haka second quadrant u sine but u cosec kilong positive. Okay, so takadaw hang ne pio positive. Clear? Now the question part sine pi plus theta. Okay, sine pi plus theta kahap haka third quadrant hadu hang ne kade pi. Okay, plus theta kala point na siya ni. Okay, pi plus theta pa kahap haka third quadrant. Tinama ba kade pi plus something. Okay, u function usabi kumjo usabi sine tamba haka third quadrant tang utan but u cot kilong positive, so hang ne pinyo minus sine theta. Okay, what about la fission mikini ki half angle ki odd jang ki half angle. Okay, ki odd half angle pi by 2 3 pi by 2. Derivation sin pi by 2 minus theta and sin pi by 2 plus theta. Okay, u sine u change to cos. Okay, u sine u change to cos and kiwe rukum jo shaki co function ki de manta u sine u change na show cos ma baka angle ka ba pi at na subtract hane ka de pi by 2 de u sine u change na show cos de kan pe mata ne pi by 2 minus theta ka half haka first quadrant, the all functions haka first quadrant kilong positive takaraw hang nipiyo plus cos theta. Tingin pet pat sine of pi by 2 plus theta. Same sine nama bade pi by 2 would change na siya o cosine. Okay, siya o cos. There now pi by 2 plus theta kahap hang ni pi by 2 plus theta kahap haka second quadrant and u sine haka second quadrant ulong positive, so takaraw hang ni rupinyo bet positive. Clear? Let's see. Cos pi by 2 plus theta. Cos pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta kahap hani. Okay. The cos haka second quadrant ulong negative takada. The nama ba kadai pi by 2 plus theta cos u change na siya u sine. And haka second quadrant cos ulong negative takada pio minus sine. The nang ni nakinik example mentabang ay pila jule ay kini. Okay, ngasyo revise. Like in the example mentabang ay pilaban lada ki angles pi add angles pi plus something pi minus something and 0 pi but 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi sorry. There is no function change pilaban lada ki angle but pi add and subtract the pi by 2 3 pi by 2 u function u change. Okay, from the function to the co-function. The I hope pilasong to the menta ngin pet kanya menta. Now sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 find the value jang kanya. Okay, there ngin pet mentahan ni kanya 2 pi by 3 equal to 2 into 180 by 3 313630 teknya 120 degree. Okay, so 120 kanya ka angle this 120 this 2 pi by 3 does not belongs to the range of sine kadi kam no minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so come have principal value. There's so menta bangan chu cancel direct sine inverse but sine ngamla. Okay, so what I'll do menta the 2 pi by 3 I can write 2 pi by 3 uday ne am menta 2 pi by 3 ngala ban tho Ta 2 pi by 3 the 120 am. The 120 menta ngalan em banto 180 minus 60. Yes, I can write 120 ude 180 minus 20. The 180 in terms of radian ude kano pi minus 60 but in terms of radian ude pi by 3. So menta ya ka angle 2 pi by 3 I can write pi minus pi by 3. This not gonna nimta solution. The 2 pi by 3 menta I can write as is equal to pi minus pi by 3. Okay. There. Now sine inverse of sine instead of 2 pi by 3 and no pi minus pi by 3. Okay. Pi minus pi by 3 kahap haka quadrant ayu kahap haka second quadrant. Okay. Pi minus pi by 3 kahap haka second quadrant. Okay. And o sine haka second quadrant ulang positive. Okay. And kade ka angle hanya kade pi. So there will be no function change. Depends on your bit equal sine inverse of sine. Okay. That bit. Sine pi minus pi by 3. Okay. Kanya ka half haka second quadrant and sine menta ta. Okay. Pi angle hanya kade pi. Okay. So sine menta function unum change undebit sine the sine of pi by 3. And because kanya ka angle ka half haka second quadrant, the hanya pinyobit positive, so pinsayobit sine of pi by 3. I hope it's not 280 part. The sine, when the sine pi of minus pi by 3, pinsayobit sine pi by 3. The pi by 3 meant that as pi by 3, pi by 3 belongs to the range of sine inverse minus 2, pi by 2. So, the answer of payment pinsayobit equals sine inverse of sine pinsalaban cancel pinsayobit pi by 3. Tang kom to question number 10. Okay, kanikadeka answer. Menta ngene pat ya question ka number 11. Kajan nong kom jo hi. Menta question number 11 kade tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. Taking the pit menta 3 pi by 4. Kade ka no. 3 pi by 4 equal 3 into 180 divided by 4. 4 1 4 4 4 4. The 3 into 45. Okay, pinsayo 135 degree. The 135 degree, this 3 pi by 4 does not belong to the range of minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Kade ka range ng tanam. So, nginamla ban cancel direct tan inverse but tan and then sayo by 3 pi by 4. So what we have to do, happen there kung balik ka question number 9 here. Okay. So bentang in the pet. 3 pi by 4, sorry. In the pet 3 pi by 4, the 135 degree kadine am 135 degree ngila ane man to 180 degree minus 45 degree. Yes, ngila man to. So manta 135 kade 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 manta I can write as 180 pi 45 but in terms of radian pi by 4. Okay. So now ngala man to 3 pi by 4 is equal to pi minus pi by 4. Now continue nang to. Nangi continue na niya kanong kumlo. Tan inverse of pi minus pi by 4. Okay. So in the pit pi minus pi by 4 kahab haka second quadrant. Okay. The haka second quadrant tang sine ulang positive sine ba cosine baru cosine han cosec naman cosec. Okay. The sine baru cosec kilang positive. Okay. Now tan of pi minus, okay, the menta equal tan inverse of the tan menta pi. Okay. Tan of pi minus theta. Okay. P of it. Okay. Function usabit tan. Okay. Tan theta tamba pi minus theta kahap haka second quadrant. The haka second quadrant tang sine ulang positive tang sine bo cosec so pinyo no minus tan theta. Okay. So hang ni pinyo bit minus tan of pi by 4. Okay. Clear to? Okay. Now minus tan pi by 4 tinggi tip tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Yes. Thì haga jaga jong na minus tan pi by 4 ngila ban thono. Tan inverse of tan minus pi by 4. Yes? Okay. The equal tan inverse tan te pi. Okay. As minus pi by 4 belongs to the range of minus close open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Thì mình sẽ equal. Cái answer trong này tan inverse tan cancel mình sẽ minus pi by 4. Oh, sorry. So, kato ka cái answer trong ka question number 11. So, hakani ka video nga solve ya ka question number 10 by 11. Thì là đã phiền kinu kinu cái doubts pila ban a comment section. Bạn nghĩ là ban sa penclear cái doubts hakiway pa ki video kublay sugot.